Good morning gentlemen, good morning mga ka-YouTube. Today I will show you one of the strange construction of the road within the city of Saudi Arabia. You can say it's strange because instead of doing it with a mixture of sand and asphalt, sand and cement, it is made of fabricated concrete bricks that only after construction can immediately pass vehicles without having to wait a long time. We will watch it. This is the bed of concrete fabricated bricks with a thickness of 6 inches. And these are the people also who are currently working with the said bricks, and after they are done, vehicles can pass through immediately without having to dry like cement. Moreover, so strange because it is easy to repair in case it breaks or punctures. Now, ito na yung napakagandang pavement o kalsada na ginawa lang sa ilang oras. At ngayon, pwede nang daanan na hindi na maghintay pa ng 40 days guys sa Pilipinas para patuyuin. At kung ma-repair man o kaya may masira, madali lang gawin kasi party-party lang siya. Thank you for watching my video. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please like, watch, share, and press the subscribe and bell button para ma-inform kayo kung meron ba akong bagong i-upload na video. Thank you very much for watching.